Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Shipping prices are rising after a missile attack and attempted hijacking of a Maersk ship this weekend. Reuters is reporting that this prompted carriers to suspend plans to restart transits through the Red Sea, a key linkage to the vital Suez Canal trade route. The attacks are already delaying delivery of products destined for numerous companies, as the Suez route is used by the likes of U.S. brands such as IKEA, Walmart and Amazon. Now, Asia to North Europe rates more than doubled to above $4,000 per 40-foot container this week, with Asian to Mediterranean prices climbing to $5,175, according to Freightos, a booking and payments platform for international freight. Now, some carriers have announced rates above $6,000 per 40-foot container. Now, the rates to less affected North American ports are also moving higher. Up to 30% of cargo that arrives at the U.S. East Coast travels through the Suez Canal. Now, if this continues, consumers here in Jamaica could also reel from the effects of higher costs for goods due to shipping. This is also compounding the higher shipping rates for cargo coming through the Panama Canal, as ships have to be spaced due to drought conditions in that region. Now, back here in Jamaica, the cost of goods and services in relation to household maintenance and upkeep increased for the 12 months to November 2023. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the index for furnishings, household equipment and routine household maintenance rose by 10.7% on an annual basis as at November last year. Now, for the month of November alone, that's from October to November, goods and services in this category grew by 0.3%. All groups in the category faced increased prices. Now, the higher costs were mainly associated with goods and services for routine household maintenance, which grew by 0.3%, furniture finishings and loose carpets up 0.4%, and household appliances, which also increased by 0.4%. To the foreign currency market now, trading resumes with banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.17. $116.60 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The pound is going for $196.73, while the euro is selling for $171.39 at the close of trading today. And the JSE index lost 500 points, while the junior market index increased by 30 points. Among the 43 winners were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Edufocal, or parent company Radio Jamaica, Salada Foods Jamaica, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company. Now, the 36 losers included Lumber Depot, G West Corporation, CAC 2000, Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, and Guardian Holdings. 22 stocks closed the session at the same price they opened trading on Thursday. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.